What's better than exploring a city on two wheels? Biking through Rajkot is not just a ride, it's a food adventure on the go. Why recommend this experience? National Park morning start at Racecourse, Ring Road smooth ride, great views, and clean tracks to begin your day. First stop, Masala Chai at Bhaktinagar Circle local Lari Chai with Kadak flavor to kickstart your ride. Farsan break at Jay Gurudev Fafda House grab hot Fafda-Jalebi or Ganthia while your bike rests nearby. Midway snack, GJ5 sandwich at Limda Chowk iconic, overloaded sandwich spot. A must on any street food trail. Bhutta stop, Jubilee Garden corner grilled corn with masala and lemon. Perfect for quick bites on wheels. End with ice cream at Sonu Dairy. Treat yourself to kulfi, mango stick, or chocolate softy after your ride. This biking plus food trail is perfect for locals and travelers who want to see Rajkot differently. Fast, fresh, and flavorful. Don't just ride. Bite, sip, and explore with me, Rakesh Rajkot.